Last time, I showed you how to export your profiles to a .pls file so they can be transferred to other machines. In this video, we'll be on the receiving end of this export. I've deleted my project, profile, device type, and custom tag so I can import this file into Profile Editor. First, I'll select File, Import, and navigate to the .pls file, which I've moved to the desktop. The import template is only used for importing IEC 61850 SCL files, so I'll skip this and start import. The left pane gives me different filtering options, but I'm going to leave this at device profiles. The legend below is telling me that the import tool is attempting to match the objects in my import with those already in its database. Green objects have a perfect match in the database and do not need to be imported. Yellow objects match with a name in the database but will need some manual verification and manual massaging to verify the match. Orange objects have no match and need to be created. Let's verify the matches in the center pane. We can ignore the NSX breaker being displayed here, but it did match correctly. What we don't see here are all the built-in tags, types, and profiles that matched in the background. They aren't displayed because we couldn't change them if we wanted to. My airport meter device profile is not matched, which makes sense. We created it ourselves. If I absolutely trust the source of this profile, I can right-click on it and say Create New for all items, which will create types and tags as needed, and we can finish our import. I'm going to take this one step at a time though and select Create New. Now my device profile will be created in Profile Editor. The same goes for my device type. Note that if I want to change something about the type or profile being created, rather than simply creating new, I can check Force Edit and then click New. This allows me to change the parameters being set. Also, if I don't want to create the type, I can ignore it. Finally, the custom tag. I know I need to create a new tag, but what if this was a tag already in the database, but with a different naming convention? Let's say this was actually a current. I can search for the tag, and Profile Editor will return all matching tags ranked by how many of their fields match my imported tag. If I select one, I can see exactly what will change if I match this tag. If both the imported tag and local tag were custom, I could actually merge them together. If I match the tag as is, my tag turns green and I can import. However, I don't actually want this, so I'll unmatch and create new. I could also do this for the device type and profile, but this is less common. Now that all my items are green, I can complete import. After a few moments, I can navigate through Profile Editor and find my new device type and device profile. Which can be used in my projects. Note that the project itself is not imported. If I need it, I'll have to recreate it from scratch. In this way, we can move custom device types from site to site to be reused, rather than creating new at every location. I hope this helps you speed your development process. Until the next video, thank you.